Evaluate. First question. Second, first one. 101 the whole square. So no need of multiplying 1 by 101 into 101. It is wrong. You won't get mark. Use identities means you have to apply the identity. So that means 101 we can write it as 100 plus 1 the whole square. 1 whole square. So which is equal to is in the form of what? A plus B whole square.
A plus B square.
Equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. That you write. Then it will be easy. Is in the form of A plus B whole square, which is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Then write in the working column. Here A is equal to 100 and B is equal to 1. Okay. Up to this, clear? Any doubt in this? All
No, ma'am.
have to do like this.
No, ma'am.
Okay, 100 plus 1 whole square. So expand this. A plus B whole square. Same model. How can we write? A square. So 100 square. Plus 2
into 100 into 1 square.
So which is equal to 100 square means what? 100 square means 100 into 100.
10,000.
So how many zeros? 2 zeros. Here also 2 zeros. Total 4 zeros will be there. So 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Plus 2 into 1, 200. Plus 1 square, 1.
1.
So
10,201.
10,201. Okay. Add this, you will get the answer. If you multiply this, 101 into 101. If you multiply, what you will get? Same answer only, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 10,201.
Okay. So don't do this multiplication. So this answer. Then what about next question? 502. Which one is easy? 502.
500 plus 500 plus 2.
500 plus 2. Same way. 502 the whole square is equal to 500 plus 2 the whole square is in the form of A plus B whole square, where A is equal to B is equal to, then do the calculations. Try to do.
Ma'am, finish.
Completed.
Ma'am, my work is completed.
Okay. Others?
No, ma'am, 1 minute.
A is equal to 500 and B is equal to 2. So this can be written as, which is equal to 500 square plus 2 into 500 into
Plus 2
Plus
2 square. 5 5s are 25. Then add how many zeros? 4 zeros. Easy, no? You know
Yes,
how to
ma'am.
do this 500 square? Anyone have any doubt in this 500 square?
No,
Five
ma'am.
squares,
No, ma'am.
2 zeros means if you are squaring, it will become 4 zeros. Plus 5 into 2, 10. 10 into 2,
20.
12.
2,000. 2,000. No. 2,000.
2,000, ma'am.
Ma'am, 2,000.
20.
2,000.
Then how many zeros? 2 zeros. Plus 4.
Plus 4.
So, one, two, three, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we can write? 25. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Instead of this 0, we can write it 2, no? 2.
0, 0, 4.
0, 0, 4. $004. 004.
First place 0. Instead of that ones place, we can write a 4. If you don't know, please do in the working column that calculation.
Ma'am, we understand.
We studied in lower classes now. If you don't know this method means directly, you don't know means just do that addition. Then 502. Then what about 97?
Ma'am, it is
100
minus 3.
100 minus 3.
Do it. So that is easy, no? So 97 means 90 plus 7. Instead of 90 plus 7, we will write a 100 minus. First we will write this. 90. Second, third one, 97 the whole square. So this is in the form of 100 minus 3 the whole square. So which is equal to here a is equal to 100
is in the form of
to 3 is in the
a minus b square.
A minus b whole square. Okay, a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab
Minus 2ab plus b square.
So 100 square minus 2 into 100 into 3 plus 3 square.
I'm done.
What about others?
I'm completed.
Okay,
Completed, ma'am.
Completed, ma'am.
answer
1609.
10,000 minus 600 plus 9, which is equal to 9,409.
10,409. 4 zeros minus
10,000 minus 600 plus 9,
100 plus 9.
Which way you are
which is
doing?
equal to
Board mass rule you apply or
Ma'am, first we should do plus, then
better you practice like that way, or you are doing this. Which one? Which method?
Of second zero.
Both are correct. Both answer you will get it as 9460. 9409. No? Since we studied
yes,
integers,
ma'am.
since we studied integers, bother about that plus or minus. But some cases we have to do the addition first, then only we will get the answer. So practice with the addition. So after this, better, my opinion is what? First you rewrite this, then plus 9 together, then minus 600. Then what? 10009 minus 600. This method you follow, that is better. So it is in a, you will be in a safe zone if you follow this. So answer is 9409. No?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Next one 998.
1,000 minus 2.
Okay, do it.
Minus 2.
ma'am, completed.
Right, okay. Answer only.
Completed.
Ma'am, completed.
Okay. 998.
No, ma'am.
Second, fourth one. 998 whole square. That is 1000 minus 2 the whole square. So 1000 square minus 2 into 1000 into 2 plus 4. 2 square. 2 square. So how many zeros? 3 zeros. So it will become 6 zeros.
6.
Minus 2 into 2, 4. Then 3 zeros. Plus 2 square, 4. Final answer. First you add this 2. or rearrange.
96,004.
6 plus 4 minus 4,000. Answer?
96,004.
96,000.
10,000.
Uh,
10 lakh. Ma'am, 10 lakh 4,004.
no.
10,000.
Ma'am, 9,96,004.
4,004.
This you have to subtract, no? 10,000
10. Ma'am, 10 lakh. Ma'am, 10 lakh 4,004.
Okay, this two. Then subtract 4,000. Again, you have to subtract with that 4,000, no? Final answer?
Nine lakh.
Ma'am,
9 lakh?
96,004.
9 lakh 96,004.
96,004.
96,004.
1004.
9 lakh 96,004. All got?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So next to third, evaluate same as the first question square. Here it is fraction. That's the difference.
Yeah.
Third, evaluate. Completed this one, no? Then third one, evaluate. Seven by 8x, 7 by 8x plus 4 by 5y the whole square. First question, first one. Second one, homework, okay. A minus b whole square form, same as question number. Third, first one, second one, homework. Instead of a plus b whole square, we want to write a minus b whole square. That you do as a homework. Next one, 2x by 7 minus 7 by 4y. So how can we do this first? Whenever you see this type of question, you have to write this formula first before starting answer. If you are seeing this type of questions, first write the formula. This is in the form of a plus b whole square. So write the formula first, 2ab plus b square. Then here itself you can write, or here, anyway. Better you can do this properly, no? So here a is equal to what? 7 by 8x and b is equal to 4 by 5y. This is what? 7x by 8, no? 4y by 5. That x and y separate means it will comes in the numerator. Equal to a square. So 7x by 8 the whole square, a square plus 2ab. So 2 into a, 7x by 8 a, b is what? 4y by 5 a, b plus b square means 4y by 5 the whole square. So square is common for 7, x and 8. So 7 square 49, x square divided by 8 8s are 64 plus. Anything to cancel means you can cancel in the working column. Otherwise, while you are studying, you will not get. If you cancel these
Nothing to
things,
cancel.
yes,
Nothing to
it is
cancel.
it is there. If you cancel here itself, while you are studying, it will be difficult. You can't see the numbers. So do the cancellation in the working column. That is better. Nothing to cancel. 4 and 8 we can cancel. No?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
4 and 8. 4 2s are 8. No. Again we can cancel this 2 and 2. So remaining you will get 7xy in the numerator and 5 in the denominator. Is it okay? Any doubt in this? Seven xy divided by 5 plus 4 fours are 16 y square divided by 25. So this is your answer. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So can you do the next one as homework? Next one homework, Zeno, same
Yes,
as plus. You can apply which one? A minus b whole square form. So next one homework. Okay. Third, second one homework. Third, second one homework. Then fourth one, evaluate. So do that separate and after that solve it. Okay, that is better. Fourth one, evaluate. Write the question. Can I rub this? Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Well,
Then fourth question, evaluate. A by 2b plus 2b by a the whole square minus a by 2b minus 2b by a the whole square minus 4. So better you take this separately. Okay. So here a by 2b plus 2b by a the whole square. First you do this. That is better. This is in the form of a plus b whole square.
A plus B whole square.
Here a is equal to what? A by 2b and b is equal to 2b by a. So this is in the form of a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this we can write a square. So a by 2b the whole square. No. So better it will make you confusion. A plus b whole square you are writing here means here itself in the working column itself you write a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. That is better. Otherwise your book will not be neat. Plus 2 into AB, A by 2B into 2B by A, 2AB plus B square means what? 2B by A, the whole square. Write neatly, don't write like this way, congested way. You can write in the working column also. Start near from near the margin. Margin itself you start equal to. Here is the margin. No, from here itself you start. That is better. So how can we a by 2b the whole square is a square by 4b square plus this one. Which are the things we can cancel? 2 we can cancel. A cancel. B cancel. Only 2 will be there. No. Separate. Take this in the working column. 2 divided by a by 2b. 2b divided by a. So a we can cancel, 2 we can cancel, b we can cancel. So remaining 2 only will be there. Okay. One second.
Stuck.
Completed. What will be the answer? Here. Simply 2 plus 4b square by a square, isn't it? So this is the first one. Then a by 2b minus 2b by a, the whole square. What is that? A square by 4b square minus 2 plus 4b square by a square, isn't it? Hello? Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this 2 part we got, then we have to solve this now. So substitute that, start. Again you have to write that question. So what is the question? Is equal to, write that question. A by 2b plus 2b by a the whole square minus a by 2b minus 2b by a the whole square minus 4. Replace this as this one. A square by 4b square plus 2 plus 4b square by a square. Then minus is there. That minus is common for all the 3 terms. So put a bracket. Then write a square by 4b square. Instead of this, we can replace this as a square by 4b square minus 2 plus 4b square by a square. Close the bracket. Then minus 4 is the 4. Up to this, okay, no? Any doubt in this? All got
No, ma'am.
All got up to this. Then change the brackets. That is a square by 4b square plus 2 plus 4b square by a square minus a square by 4b square minus into minus plus 2 minus 4b square by a square minus 4. Then solve it. So a square by 4b square cancel, no? 4b square by a square cancel. So final answer is what? Hello?
2 plus minus 4.
2 plus 2, 4 minus 4. So final answer?
0.
0.
0.
Okay. So do this type of question separately and do like this way. Otherwise it will make you confusion. Next evaluator. That is simple, no? Fourth, second one you can do homework. Fourth, second one. Huh?
And 4th only 1 is there. Okay.
2 are there.
No, ma'am. 2 questions are there.
Ma'am,
Fourth,
only 2 questions.
fourth, first one we have done. Then fourth, second one, 4a plus 3b whole square minus 4a minus 3b whole square plus 48ab. That you have to do as a homework, okay? If any doubt,
Okay,
we can discuss tomorrow. So that one homework. Then fifth question. fifth one. Can I rub this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Then
Yes, ma'am.
write only the question, fifth question. So if you have any doubt, you ask me, don't write. Fifth question, a plus b is equal to 7 and ab is equal to 10. Find a minus b. If you listen properly, it is easy, otherwise it will be difficult. So please don't write, I will give you time. We have to find out a minus b. Listen properly. We have to find out a minus b. That means for finding a minus b, we need a minus b the whole square. Suppose if a minus b whole square is 4, then we can write what? A minus b is equal to root 4, which is equal to 2. Isn't it? So for finding a minus b, we need a minus b whole square. Then only we can find a plus b. Sorry, a minus b. For finding a plus b, we need a plus b whole square. So a minus b we need to find means what we have to find out, that we want to write. So just try it. A minus b whole square. We have to find out what? A minus b. That's why we wrote a minus b whole square. Don't write anything. Is equal to, our formula is what? A square. Hello?
Yes, ma'am. A square minus 2ab plus b square.
A square minus 2ab plus b square.
So, AB we have, no? AB we have. We can rearrange this. A minus b whole square is equal to, square terms together means we can write a square plus b square minus 2ab. Usually we are doing that square terms together and the other one separate.
Yes, ma'am.
How can we do this? A square plus b square we don't know. Minus 2 AB, instead of AB we can replace it as 10. Here A minus B the whole square. So A minus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square minus 20. Up to this, okay or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am. No doubt.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So if we want to
Ma'am,
find the value of A minus B, we have to find the value of A minus B whole square. Then only we will get which one? A minus B. If we are taking the root of that A minus B, then we will get A minus B whole square. Root means we will get A minus B. But what will be the value of A square plus B square? We don't know. So from where we will get A square plus B square? Tell me, any idea? A square plus B square. Huh?
Square of a plus b.
A plus
A
b
plus
whole
b.
A plus b whole square.
Two formula is there, no? We study. Implies.
Yes, ma'am.
What is that?
A square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square.
A square plus B square is equal to two formulas are there. Which one? A plus B whole square. Don't know. A square plus 1 by A square we have no same way. No idea. Okay. A square plus 1 by A square you have and okay. A square plus B square. We have to find out A square plus B square and we have A plus B. So can we connect this A square plus B square and A plus B? A plus B value we have
7.
7.
So what is the use of this? A plus B is equal to 7. We didn't substitute this here, no. Only
Square. Yes,
AB is equal to 10. AB is equal to 10. But we have to substitute A plus B is equal to 7 somewhere.
7 square.
So where?
7 square.
If, that
Seven
clue is for that a plus b is equal to 7, that clue is for finding a square plus b square. So what we have, a plus b is here. A plus b is here. So a plus b, the whole square formula is what? A square plus 2ab
2ab
plus
plus
b
b square.
square.
B square.
A plus b we have 7. So instead of a plus b, we can write it as 7. 7 square is equal to, we told, no, we told a square plus b square we are taking together. A plus b whole square is equal to square term we are taking together. So 2ab. Rearranging that equation. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Then substitute the value of a plus b as 7. 7 square is equal to a square plus b square we don't know. A square plus b square as a square plus b square itself plus 2 into ab is what?
10.
10.
10.
7 square 49 is equal to a square plus b square plus 20. So we need a square plus b square. That 20 we can take to the left side. So 49. This 20 will become negative
Minus
20.
20.
A square plus b square. So 49 minus 20 is what?
29.
29 is equal to a square plus b square. So we got a square plus b square is equal to 29. That a square plus b square we can substitute here. That means a minus b
A
whole square is equal to 29 minus 20.
Minus 20.
A minus b whole square is equal to 9.
9.
So a minus b is equal to root of 9. That is a minus b is equal to plus or minus 3. Practice with the plus or minus 3. That means 9. We want to get the value of 9. We studied integers. So which are the two ways for getting 9? 3 into 3 is 9. Then
Negative 3 into negative 3 is 9.
negative 3 into negative 3 is 9. That means either a minus b value is what? Plus 3 or minus 3. That is either positive 3 or negative 3. So we are combining this and saying as plus or minus 3. Understood? Instead of writing plus 3 or minus 3, we can write like this way, plus or minus 3. So what we have to do is, first we will start our question. We want to find out a minus b. So we don't know what we will do. So we will do which one? A minus b whole square. So somewhere here we will stuck. Understood? Clear now? We don't. We will stuck
Yes,
somewhere.
ma'am.
Right? Because we don't have values. Two values we are unknown. So we will stuck here. Here we will stuck. Then we will think about which one. Oh, something is given here. No. So a plus b. So what we want to do? So first we will do again. Instead of a minus b whole square, we will do a plus b the whole square. So a plus b we can substitute, ab we can substitute. From there we will get a square plus b square. Understood? If this question is coming next time, now you understood. Next time if the same question is coming means you can directly understand what? Which one we have to do first. What we have to find out or what is given in that we have to do first. A minus b or a plus b we have to do.
A plus b whole square.
From the given thing we have to do. And we will get the value of a square plus b square. Then only we can substitute a minus b whole square. That value we have to substitute here. Or otherwise, do like this way. Do this partition model. First you do a minus b whole square. Then after that you will stuck somewhere here. Then you will go with the a plus b whole square. Anyway, both are correct. First you can do a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square second way. Or a minus b whole square first. You will stuck there and you will do this and remaining part you complete it. Do it separately. Then only it will be neat. Simply understand. You will stuck here, and after below itself, don't write a plus b whole square. It will make you confusion. Understood? If you are stuck there means do in next part a plus b whole square. Then after that you copy that 29 to this left side. Okay. Somewhat okay or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any step, any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
No,
Okay. So better you are not thorough with this chapter. No. If you are thorough with this chapter means you can directly write which one, a plus b whole square. But better you start with the, we don't know, you have to find out a minus b. So usually you will do which one, a minus b whole square. So same concept only you apply. So here margin, then working column, nothing to do, no calculations there, you're doing working column. So you can extend that writings to the working column. So that is better. So start from here, a minus b whole square. Up to this you write. Then after that, no need of drawing lines and all. Next step, leave some space and write a plus b whole square. Then after this, a plus b whole square is equal to 29. You substitute here. What is clear, no?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
While writing any steps, if you have any doubt, please ask me.
Ma'am, completed till that first.
This one, okay. Then
Yes,
do this.
ma'am.
Do this one, a plus b. After finding the value of a plus b whole square is equal to 29, substitute a plus b whole, not a plus b whole square. A square plus b square is equal to 29 we got. That you substitute a plus b. Here, a square plus b square is equal to 29. Completed?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Same way, try to do question number 6 as homework. Same, just opposite, no? A plus b is equal to 7 and a minus b we have to find out. In question number 6, a minus b is given and a plus b we have to find out. So just try it.
Ma'am,
After this.
ma'am, after 29, we have to write it downwards. 29 minus 20.
This is completed, no? What I have
Yes,
written is
ma'am.
for same. So you have stuck here, no? You
Yes,
want to
ma'am.
substitute the value. So that you have to complete. That's why I put an arrow here, no? So a square plus b square, that value you have to substitute here. So complete it. After
Ma'am,
this,
so we have to write down of the right side.
no, left side. This one.
Okay.
Here, continuation. Up to this only you wrote. So this value, a square plus b square, this a square plus b square, substitute 29. 29 minus 20. Now it is clear, no? In lower classes, we will discuss only positive numbers, but now onwards we will discuss with the positive and negative. That is 9 means both values are there, negative 3 and positive 3. If you multiply negative 3 By negative 3, we will get positive 9. And negative positive 3 into positive 3 is positive 9. So we have to write 9, 2 values. For 9, 2 values, positive and negative. Plus or minus 3. So 6th one homework. After completing, you can leave. Okay, thank you all of you. So 6th question homework.
Thank you, ma'am.
After completing, you can leave. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.